Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have h plus 3 is equals to h minus 3, and we solve this problem for all the values of h. So here first we need to find all the roots of this equation, and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution and which of the roots are extraneous root. Now further we solve this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these two methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And now we move towards the solution of this problem from first method. So in the first method here, our target is to find find all the roots of this equation. Here I can first explain why we solve this problem for two methods. So the reason is that if in your exam the question statement is that you need to find all the roots of this equation, then you can solve this problem for first method. But if in your exam the question statement is that you need to determine the solution set of this problem, then you directly move towards the second method. So here if you see directly in the question statement, it is not easy to find the values of h. So here I can give you nice techniques in which you can easily get the values of h. For this we need to apply a squaring on both of the sides. So when we take squaring, it will be written as h plus 3 whole square is equals to h minus 3 whole square. And now further in the next step, we use here there are two nice formulas which we apply on both of the sides. You know about that. If we have a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2 times of ab plus b square, and in the right hand side we apply this nice formula, a minus b whole square is equals to a square minus 2 times of ab plus b square. So according to these two nice formulas, we write our above equation as in this form. So our left hand side becomes h square plus 2 times of h into 3 plus 3 square is equals to h square minus 2 times of h into 3 plus 3 square. Further, we need more simplifications, and it will be written as this is h square plus 2 times 3 becomes 6h plus this 3 square becomes 9, and we move all the terms from right hand side to the left hand side, and it will become this is minus h square, this is 2 times 3 becomes 6, and when we move this into the left hand side it will become 6h, and this is 3 square. When we move it into the left hand side it will becomes minus 9, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now further in the next step we need to add or subtract the like terms, and we have this is minus h square, this is plus h square are cancelled out by each other, and we obtain this is 6h plus 6h becomes here 12h, this is minus 9, this is plus 9 are cancelled out by each other, and we get this is 12h is equals to 0. And now here in the first method we need to find the roots of this equation, or we find the values of h. So for this we need to remove this 12 from left hand side, and for this we divide both of the sides by 12, and when we divide both of the sides by 12 it will be written as in this form. So this 12 and this 12 are gone, and we obtain here our h is equals to 0 divided by 12 becomes here 0. So in the first method you see here we will get only one value of h, that is equals to 0, but now in the next steps we need to verify that is this value of h be the solution, or is this value of h be the extraneous root. So for verification of this we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is h plus 3 is equals to h minus 3, and now we substitute the above value of h on both of the sides, and it will be written as 0 plus 3 is equals to 0 minus 3, and we will get here this is 3 is equals to minus 3, and here you clearly see that this is positive 3, this is negative 3. Both of these two values are not equal in general, or in other words we say that it is not possible case a positive 3 is equals to negative 3. So these two are not equal. So this means that the value of h is equals to 0 is not satisfied our given question statement. So this concludes about that the h is equals to 0 be the extraneous root of the given equation, because it does not satisfy our given question statement. So here we finally concludes about that this question has no solution, because we cannot get any value of h which is satisfied our given question statement. So this is our final answer which we get here from first method, and now we again solve this problem from second method. So far second method, we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is h plus 3 is equals to h minus 3. So here in order to determine the solution set of this problem, here we in the second method we do some direct or quick steps in which we quickly directly determine about the solution side of this problem. Here we move this h into the left hand side, and it will becomes h minus h plus 3 is equals to minus 3. So you see that this is minus h and this is plus h are gone, and we get here 3 is equals to minus 3. So this shows that positive 3 is not equals to negative 3 in general. So this means that here in the second method we cannot get any value of h which is satisfied our given question statement. So this finally concludes about that this question has no solution in general. So this is our final answer of this question, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.